These next few minutes, we guarantee, are going to blow you away. You're going to learn something so revolutionary, so mind-blowing, so incredible, yet so simple, you are going to wonder why you haven't heard of it before. You might even be a little upset that this information has been kept from you for so long. So please, sit back and be ready to be amazed. Let's face it, there's only a few things in this life that really give us our motivation. What's the first thought that pops into your head when you hear the word money? Chances are that you are spending far too much time and energy trying to make as much of it as you can, right? The fact is, if you had more money, you'd be able to provide a better life for yourself and your family. When you have enough money, you can do almost anything you can dream of. Chances are you have a pretty good plan of what you'd be doing if you suddenly came into a lot of money. We have all fantasized and dreamed of how our lives would change if we'd never had to worry about money ever again. What would you do? Where would you go? The possibilities are truly endless, and you get to experience what true freedom feels like. Now you might be wondering, where am I going with this? What am I trying to sell? What am I trying to pressure you into here? Honestly, all we want to do here is introduce you to what we consider to be the ultimate investment model that has ever been conceived, and then you can decide what you'd like to do with this information. We are changing the way people approach investing, one person at a time. And once you understand what we are about to introduce you to here, your life will never be the same again. Have you ever wondered what it'd be like to have a really high interest rate on your savings account at the bank? I mean, how can anyone be satisfied with only making 2 or 3% a year? It's impossible for anyone to really get ahead. You need to find something with a much higher return on investment if you're ever going to get ahead in life. What if we told you that there is a way right now where you can keep your money in your own account and get a return on your investment of 5 to 10% each month, not each year? Did your BS alarm just go off? How could this be true? And how could you not know about this if it were true? It's completely natural to have these thoughts. Even we had them when we first became aware of this. Just stay with us for the next minute or two, and we promise your knowledge and approach with investing will be forever changed. Now, what happens when you put your money into an investment? Whether it's a hedge fund, mutual fund, or any other investment, you almost always give your money away to some company and are left hoping that 1, you get it back one day in the future, and 2, they manage to make you a profit. Both come with their own set of risks, and it's becoming harder and harder to find reputable investments these days. Now let's say you wanted to trade the stock market. What do? Well, you'd go and open up and fund your account at any number of brokers, and then you'd be able to start trading, right? But wait a minute, isn't trading hard work? Isn't it risky? I'm not a trader, and I really don't want to be one either. Well, here is where it gets interesting. What if we told you that we have found a way that solves every one of these issues with conventional investing? We're going to show you how you can keep control of your money during the entire process from start to finish. Your money will stay right in your own account, where you're the only person in the entire world with access to deposit to or withdraw from your account. You have complete 100% transparency. You have live 24/7 online account access to track your progress. There are absolutely no lock-in periods or penalties if you want to make a withdrawal. You simply send in your withdrawal request and it is processed within 24 hours max. Would you like to know what this is? Welcome to the world of managed trading. This is where you can have trades copied into your own account automatically every day from professional traders. Traders that have long and proven track records of producing 5 to 10% monthly profits, and even higher sometimes. You simply open your own account in your own name at the broker. You're the only person in the entire world with access to deposit to or withdraw from your account, the same as your bank account. In fact, a lot of brokers are becoming banks these days, especially in Switzerland. You have 24/7 live online access to watch your account and track the progress. If you don't like what you see, you can immediately stop the trading and can have your withdrawal processed within 24 hours max without any penalties. I mean, seriously guys, does it get any better than this? What other investment gives you this much control? What other investment gives you this much transparency? What other investment gives you these kinds of returns? With managed trading, you have absolutely 100% control of your account. You can watch the progress live in real time over the internet. You can potentially earn a consistent 5 to 10% monthly return on investment, and your money always stays right in your own account the entire time. If you want to take a withdrawal, you can at any time without any sort of penalty or lock-in period to worry about. Let's look at other investments again for a second. Take mutual funds or hedge funds, for example. Do you keep your money in your own account? Do you get to see exactly what is going on with live access to your account? Can you withdraw your money at any time without any penalties? How do you know they are really doing what they say they are doing with your money? How do you know that proper risk management is being adhered to? The short answer is you have no clue what they are doing with your money. Once you hand over your money, it leaves your control, and you are left to hope that you'll get your money back one day in the future, and hopefully with a profit. Forget about this. You have a much better way of investing now, where you have full control. You can keep your money in your own account. You can watch the trading activity live 24/7. You can place immediate withdrawals at any time. And the most exciting part is that the potential returns are really nice. How long will it take to achieve your financial goals if you can compound your money for the next 2 years or 5 years at a modest 6% monthly return? After just 2 years, you'd have a profit of 300%. Pretty crazy, right? But this is just the beginning. You've heard of Albert Einstein, right? The guy who said the eighth wonder of the world is compound interest? Well, if you kept compounding your account for 5 years, are you ready? Over 3,000% profit on your original investment. Insane, right? Well, numbers do not lie, my friend. And you might have just found a new respect for our friend Mr. Einstein there, because compound interest really is a beautiful thing. Alright, so you're starting to understand what's going on now, I would imagine. Let's dive into a little more, shall we? It's really a very simple investment concept we are talking about here. Instead of trading the market yourself, you're copying trades from proven professionals and benefiting from their trades. It probably doesn't seem so crazy of an idea now, right? We promised you that this concept would be really simple in theory, and it really couldn't be any easier to get started. Just 3 simple steps and you could be well on your way to some great returns in your account. Step 1. Open your account at the broker. Step 2. Choose your favorite trading system. Step 3. Watch your account grow. Now there's a little more to it, and we'll be happy to fill you in with the details with our next few emails over the next few days or so. Don't worry, we are not going to be selling you anything, and you don't have to purchase anything from us. Knowledge is free, after all. We will give you some inside information into this revolutionary investment concept and get you pointed in the right direction so you can feel confident as you start exploring this little world of investing for yourself. We do have a team of some of the best traders in the entire world, and we'd be very happy to share them with you. So go ahead and enter your email so we can send over a couple of free gifts. We'll give you your very own compounding calculator that you can play around with and see why Mr. Einstein was so excited that he called this the eighth wonder of the world. We're also going to send you our special report, Managed Forex Authority's Secrets of Successful Forex Investing. Yours 100% completely free. So go ahead and enter your email. See you on the inside.